I've had the opportunity to try Evo Car Share, and I'm excited to share my honest review with you. Evo Car Share is a car rental service that allows you to rent cars by the hour or day, which gives users great flexibility. After creating an account, the process of finding and booking a car is pretty simple. You can do it all through their app, which is available for both iOS and Android. Once you're logged in, you'll see a map showing nearby cars, and you can reserve one at your convenience. The booking process is straightforward, and within minutes, I had a car reserved for my trip. When you pick up the car, you'll notice that the vehicles are well maintained and clean, which was a big plus for me. The cars are all fuel efficient and perfect for short-term use. One thing that stood out to me was the ease of unlocking the car. Instead of using traditional keys, the app allows you to unlock the car directly from your phone, which is not only convenient but also modern. The pricing is based on an hourly or daily rate, and I found it to be reasonably competitive when compared to other rental services. However, I did notice that there are additional fees that can add up, especially for longer rentals. While I appreciated the flexibility Evo Car Share offers, I also think it's important to keep these extra costs in mind when using the service. While figuring out how to make the trip smoother, I stumbled upon GetRent-A-Car. Since then, traveling's never been easier. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. One potential drawback I found with Evo Car Share is the availability of cars in certain areas. Depending on your location, you may find that there are fewer cars available, especially during peak hours. This can be a bit frustrating if you need a car quickly. However, in general, I found that Evo Car Share is great for short-term needs, especially if you need a car for a day or a few hours. The drop-off process is also very easy. You simply park the car at any designated Evo Car Share location, and the app takes care of the rest. Overall, I think Evo Car Share is a great service for anyone looking for an alternative to traditional car rental companies. Before I wrap this up, if you're enjoying the video and want to see more reviews like this, be sure to subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope this review helps you decide if Evo Car Share is the right option for your next trip.